Hello guys, this is Arjun, member of Gudsky Research Foundation, and in previous video you have seen the setting AI ML environment. In this video, we will discuss a simple chatbot. This is the free 6-month free education series, and in this lecture, we will see what is chatbot, how it is work, and later on I will see you the programming, live programming, and also explain you each and everything how chatbot work, and you will see how the output come and output depend on how we set up environment for this chatbot. So let's start. Now let's discuss what is simple chatbot or chatbot. So we can simply say a chatbot is a computer program that simulates human conversation through voice commands or text chat or both. Chatterbot is an artificial intelligence feature that can be embedded and used through any major messaging application. So this is the 2 point which describe the simple chatbot. You can search on Google or OpenAI. You can see there are many types of definition available on it. But this is the main point which you have to consider the definition of chatbot. Now move to our next video, that is types of chatbots. Before going to explain this type of chatbot, I would like to say you one thing that chatbot is classified or types, maybe many types based on many criteria, but in this video I will told you the main types, uh, that is rule-based chatbot, AI-powered chatbots, and hybrid chatbots. This is the main types of chatbots. But when you search on Google or any searching platform, you will see the chatbot is classified or its types of many on the basis of several criteria. So you can see this as I would like to explain one by one. First of all, I would like to explain the rule-based chatbot. This is the first types of chatbots. These chatbots rely on predefined rules and keywords matching to determine responses. It follows a structured script identifying keywords or patterns in user input to trigger specific pre-programmed responses. These chatbots are effective for tasks with predictable outcome and straightforward interaction, but lack the flexibility to handle complex nuanced conversation. So this is the basic description or explaining of rule-based chatbot. You can also search on Google to see more about, but this is the main point which you have to remember in your mind. So now we will move to our next type of chatbot, that is AI powered chatbot. So AI powered chatbot is very very effective and efficient for chatting. So an AI powered chatbot is a computer programming that simulates human conversation using artificial intelligence. Using chatbot can understand and responses to user queries in natural language, making them useful for customer service, information retrieval, and various other applications. So, this is the simple definition or point you have to consider. And one thing I want to tell about AI powered chatbot is that AI powered chatbot is very effective and it is very applicable, and advanced technology is used under him, just like LLM, that is large language model, and line graph. So and NLP is also used. NLP is very important for AI powered chatbot. So we will move to our next type of chatbot. that is hybrid chatbot. So hybrid chatbot is a third type of chatbot. That is now we will see what is this hybrid chatbot. A hybrid chatbot combines the strength of a rule-based chatbot and AI-powered chatbots. It uses predefined rules for simple common tasks and leverage AI, that is machine learning and neural language processing, to handle more complex or ambiguous queries. So this is the simple point of about hybrid chatbot, and hybrid chatbot, is very usable in this because it combines both type of chatbot which we will discuss previously, that is AI powered chatbot and this rule based chatbot. So hybrid chatbot is combination of these two. So this is the type of chatbot, and we will move to our next slide and see advantage of chatbot. The first advantage is that it is 24 by 7 availability, means it is always present to deal with or solve the queries of any customer. Reduce wait time. When you call to somebody for your queries, you will wait till he receive your call. But there is not such type of problem is arises there. It is always present within nanoseconds. It responses your queries. Faster issues resolution. As I told, it is faster means it is nanosecond. It responses to your queries and reduce operational cost. Operational cost means the charges which you always spend on maintenance. So it also reduces this and increase agent productivity. It's also increase the agent productivity. So this is the advantage of chatbot. Chatbot is applicable everywhere, just like you go for searching admission in college. The college website is also available chatbot, so you can search on that and you can see the chatbot is available and he responses your important queries. That is uh, college college maintainers are know what type of queries arises there and what type of queries may customer or student ask for their admission related. So this type of messages also always stored and previously stored by them. So without wasting our time, we move to our next slide. That is real life application of chatbot, means where we uses chatbot. So as I explained previously that college website. So this is the common, and what is the application or real life application of chatbot. So this is the main point or application of chatbot. We will see one by one. That is chatbots answer questions and inquiries. Chatbot give responses to your question and any type of inquiries related to that organization. So this is the first real life application of chatbot. Now we see the next one, that is chatbot can process return and exchange request. Chatbot return and exchange requested that what type of inquiries you have asked to chatbot. He responses. And the next point is chatbots helps you collect customer feedback efficiently. Means chatbot also take feedback to in a very short interval of time. So chatbot assign customer request to support team. So chatbot also support teams, means the teams which are managing and data is collecting the what type of customer asking and what type of responses is required. So this is the main real life application. Now the last real life application of chatbot is that chatbot generate leads with sales approach. Means chatbot generate and sales approach. This is the real life application of chatbot. So we will move to our next, next slide, that is technology used in chatbot. There are many types of technologies used in chatbot. And we will discuss here the main technology, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and natural language generation. This is the main core technology which are used in today's chatbot making. So there are many types of technology used, but this is the main. So we will discuss it one by one. Artificial intelligence, it is the application made by programmer or developer to responses without intervention of human. So machine learning, to teach machine learning and or provide tools and technology to machine in such a way that it responses without any programming explicit. And natural language processing, you are familiar with that natural language processing is the responses or a machine to understand and exchange the data using data from a human readable to machine readable, or machine can understand the what human want to say. So this is the one. And last one is natural language generation. So this is the last one, last technology, or last technology. Last technology which I mentioned here, that is natural language generation. So machine take responses from customer and it generate in human readable in such a way that human can understand what the machine is going to say. So we will move to next. So this is the main technology. So we will move to next slide, that is steps used by me. I means as told you that I have also created the chatbot, and this is the slide of the chatbot and steps which I uses in programming, that is create responses. And this is the first uh, point, first step. And in a responses there is also you know else responses, which if responses is not the what the chatbot is response. Second is that create functions which accept use in input, and third is that create functions which takes inputs. So this step we will see and explain. I will explain you during programming process. So in deploying model, so we will move to next slide, that is simple output which I crop and put here to explain you that I asked to chatbot hi, it responses hi. I ask hello. So this is the responses you can see. And we will move to we will move to our next slide, that is end. But before end, I would like to see you something, that is programming here which I done here. So in step I told you that every step here we create responses. And the second function which I discussed previously, and third and the last function which we have to call everywhere. So now we will discuss one by one, that is responses. Responses is the first step which will be give, and that is what user give input, the what the chatbot have the responses. Just user give input hello, the chatbot may respond hi there, hello, how are you, how I can help you. So out of these three, he can respond as anyone. So this was the main topic. And similarly, if you reply hi to any out of these, he responses hey. So this was the just, and this was the responses given by chatbot. So you can adjust this type of things according to your needs. And default responses is also here. This is the part of responses, but default responses is the responses given by chatbot. Out of I have mentioned here 5 sentences. The chatbot may respond any one of these. Default responses means if you give input to chatbot or ask anything which are not mentioned here, that is hello, hi, how are you, name is your creator, thanks, bye, quite. Instead of these things, if you ask anything, so the chatbot responses, I am not sure how I respond to that. So out of these five sentences, chatbot may give you any type of answer. So we will move to our next step. That is here we have import the randomness and created a function whose name is responses, and you can see the programming here done by under him, and you can understand this is the simple programming. And last one is that default deep start simple chatbot. So here is the third step which we will explain during slide. So this was the responses that will be see here. So in that you can see and responses, and I will you can see live here. That is if I ask hi, so it responses hi, how can I help you, I say you here the mention. So this is the things, and you can also type uh, hurry, you know, hurry responses, default responses, which we will not mention in responses. So I am not sure how to respond to that. So out of these five sentences, anyone can responses. So this was the simple chatbot from me. I hope you will understand this. So this was the total effort from me. So this was the last, and I will going to end here. So in next video, you will see the machine learning and differences. So this is from me. So thank you from Gudsky Research Foundation family.